I'm Christine Sabillo, and we're here at the Senate, where accused-turned whistleblower Ruby Tuason is expected to bear all against the perpetrators of the pork barrel scam.
I delivered here in the Senate.
Yes.
Okay. And
was it one occasion or several occasions?
I did like at least twice.
Twice.
Yeah. I used a hand carry one time.
Hand carry bag?
Yeah. Yung may gulong.
Ah, yung may gulong. Okay.
Kasi when the amount is small, if it's let's say 1 or 2 million, kasha in my bag. Gusto na lang kung makalaking 1 million.
Okay.
And that would fit in my big bag. Pero if it's more than that, we need a bigger bag.
Ma'am, on the occasions that you, for example, delivered here in the Senate, where did you pass?
On this side.
Not the main entrance.
No, because they might open my bag.
So you had a pass?
No, I have no pass. I was usually met by one of these people. And he would escort my car.
Do you remember exactly what dates these are and what time of the day?
It's usually in the afternoon. I never come in the morning.
Late afternoon?
Yeah.
Do you remember the years, at least?
Ay, yung bag, when I go down the car, hindi naman ako nagbababa ng bag.
Okay.
Pinapakuha ko nun sa kanya. And then,
Sa kanya meaning
this guy,
the
yung tao niya,
yung employee, I suppose employee niya.
never show.
Then,
You would go to the waiter.
okay.
Then you go to the his office and he has like an attitude. I mean, you go in on the way, he's arriving at his room, and then he has like a sala. And inside, this is where his office is.
Sliding door.
Yeah. And doon sa loob. And then he has his desk. Lalagay lang ng stuff. Extra steps.
No one else was with you then when you gave it?
No.
So kayong dalawa lang?